Okay, we are going to solve question number 1.6 from the book IE Irodov, and the question says a ship moves along the equator to the east with velocity 30 km per hour. The southeastern wind blows at an angle 60° to the equator with velocity 15 km per hour. Then they said find the wind velocity with respect to ship and the velocity of and the direction of velocity of wind with respect to ship. The question is easy, but there is small trick. Let's formulate the problem. Suppose we have a ship moving with 30 km per hour. This is V naught. This is velocity of ship towards east, east west, north south, and then they said wind blows at an angle 60° to the equator with velocity 15. So the trick is we draw this velocity like this, but the actual direction of velocity it's like this. This is 15 km per hour. 15 km per hour, and we need to find velocity of wind with respect to ship. So this is velocity of ship Vs or V naught, this velocity of wind minus velocity of ship. Then let's redraw the situation. This is east, west, north, south. Now velocity of wind it's like this, and this angle it's given that if this is equator, this angle is 60°. It is given in the question this angle is 60, so this angle is 60°. This is velocity of wind, and we should put vectors over here because these are velocities, and minus sign velocity of ship. Velocity is going at 30 km per hour towards east, or this should be flipped. This should be flipped, and this will be velocity of ship, that is 30 km per hour. Now we just have to find the vector, resultant vector between them, which is very easy. So velocity of wind with respect to ship, this is equals to this 30 square plus 15 square plus 2 times 30 into 15 into cos of 60° under the root. This angle is 60°, so this is 30 square. 30 can be written like this: 15 into 2 square plus 15 square plus 2 times 15 into 2 into 15 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. That's everything under the root. 2 got cancelled. 15 and 15, 15 square, 15 square, 15 square can be taken common out of this root. Here we have 4, we have 1, we have 2, and that is equal to 15 under root 7, that is approximately 40 km per hour. Now they said find the direction of resultant velocity with respect to ship. Suppose this is my resultant velocity, this is velocity of wind with respect to ship, and this is the angle we want to find, phi dash, this phi dash. Now we know tan phi dash is equals to, this is a way we should write. This is A, if this is B, then tan phi is like this: B sine theta, B sine phi upon A plus B cos phi. So this B is equals to 15, sine phi is sine 60 divided by A is 30 plus 15 cos 60. Then this can be solved like this: 15 root 3 by 2 divided by 30 plus 15 into 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. This becomes 75, and this should be written like this: 15 under root 3 by 2 into this 2 in the reciprocal form, and this is 75. 2 got cancelled, 15 5, and tan phi dash is equals to under root 3 by 5, which is equals to, which is not a common value, but this is 19 degrees if you calculate it from the calculator. That's the question. Thank you.